Good morning, friends. Hope you are all fine. Friends, today we are seeing illustration number 18, right? And now we are starting with the big sums, right, friends? We are starting with the big sums, and these all sums are very, very important, we know. So let's see the question number 18. Ready? So let's start. So, friends, question number 18, right? You take the textbook along with you. Ready? So what is the question number 18 says to you? Let's see the question. Patel and Shah are the partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. The balance sheet of the firm as on 31st March 2016 was as under. Capital is given, loan is given, creditors are given, bills payable and outstanding expense. While on asset we can see pattern, land and building, machine, furniture, motor car, stock, debtors and bad debt reserve. Now we know that this is the topic of admission. So they are saying they admitted Raval as a new partner for 1/5 share of the for 1,416. Raval brought 2 lakhs as capital. The first point. Then they are saying that land and building is to be appreciated. So I am putting an adjustment. We know that we have to put an adjustment, land and building. Machinery is to be depreciated. So machinery pay tick mark. Furniture is to be valued at 60,000. Furniture, one tick mark. Motor car is to be depreciated by 20%. Motor car. A provision for doubtful debt is kept at 5,000. Debtors. Patents are valueless, so nothing is realized. Ready? Outstanding interest on loan is 6,000. Loan is there, but we cannot do tick mark on that. We can write in a different way, right? We have learned in the final account, that is current liability. Creditor and bill payable are paid 10% less. That we can do. Creditor and bills payable. Unrecorded investment is valued. It is not recorded only. So we have to make it record. So I am putting a tick here. Insurance premium which was debited to profit and loss account by 30,000. 30,000, sorry. Out of this 10,000 is for the next year. It's an income for us for the next year. So give the journal entries, prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet after admission. So friends, we are moving with revaluation, partners capital and balance sheet. I'm not going for journal entries. It's okay, no problem. So let's start the sum. The first thing we require the column. So prepare the column revaluation account for the year ending 31st March 2016. 31st March 2016. Then give the heading partners capital account for the year ending 31st March 2016. Debit, yes, credit. And then give the heading balance sheet as on 31st March 2016. Now we can see the partner's name, Patel, Shah and Raval. So that we have to write here. Patel, Shah and Raval. Ready, friends? So let's start the topic. So first thing is that we have to take the balance sheet, and wherever the tick mark is there, we have to leave a space for it. The first information is of capital. So where we have to go? Yes, we have to go to partners capital credit side. So go to partners capital credit side. There we can write by balance brought forward. How much is the balance? 1,20,000 and 1,30,000. 1,20,000 and 1,30,000. Then they are saying that loan creditors and bills payable. So where we have to go with the loan, that is the balance sheet. So first information we have to write is capital, partner's name Patel Shah, and the new one Patel Shah, and the new one is Rawal. Then I have heard the word of loan. Here there is no need to write the non-current liabilities and all. We can do directly. That is 1 lakh. Then we have read the topic bill creditors and bill payable. Creditors comes to 80,000 and one tick is there, so 1 line. Bill payable, that also has one tick mark, so I am putting a 1 line. Then comes after that outstanding expenses. That is also liability. Yes, outstanding expense. Liability, outer column comes to 30,000. So it's very simple, right? Liability we have written everything. Then we have come to the concept of asset patterns. So let's see pattern 10,000, land and building 140. So first thing is pattern. An adjustment is there. Patterns 10,000, one take 1 line. Plant and machinery 1,40,000, one take 1 line. Machinery and furniture. Machinery and furniture. Machinery comes to 70,000. Furniture comes to 80,000. So one take 1 line. That also completed. Motor car and stock. Motor car and stock. It is also asset. Stock. So no tick mark is there. So directly we can write in outer column 40,000. Then comes the debtors and bad debt reserve. Debtors minus bad debt reserve. Already 1,000 is there. Plus debtors figure comes to us around 21,000. So debtors comes to 21,000. Right. So in this way we have done up to here. So now the time is for adjustment. They admitted Rawal as a new partner for 1/5 share from 1/4/16. Rawal brought how much? 2 lakhs as capital. So friends, what is the journal entry for capital? Cash account debited to capital account. Cash account debited. But in this sum, cash is not there. So we can write here cash 1 lakh. Cash account debited to Rawal's capital. So by cash account. In Rawal's column, we write 1 lakh. Okay. That comes the first point. It's 2 lakhs. Cash account debited to Rawal's capital. 2 lakhs. Okay, that completed. Now we are moving towards the adjustment, right? Land and building is to be appreciated by 20%. So take the land and building. 20% land and building. 20% plus 20%. It comes to 28,000. So total comes to 1,68,000. Clear? Plus plus same side. So we'll come on the revaluation credit side by land and building 28,000. Clear? Machinery is to be depreciated by 10%. Machinery is to be depreciated by 10%. minus 10% depreciation. 7,000, 63,000, and minus minus opposite side. Opposite side. To machine. 7,000. Furniture is to be valued at 60,000. Furniture 60,000 minus written off because it has been reduced by 20,000 and minus minus opposite side. Opposite side to furniture. How much? 20,000, right? Motor car is to be depreciated by 20%. Motor car minus 20 percentage. It comes to 24,000 and here comes 96,000. So 24,000 again we have to deduct. Here we have to write 2. What is the name? 2 motor car. 24,000. Okay. Then comes provision of doubtful debt. We have to kept at 5,000. Provision for doubtful debt. Here already we have given 1,000. So extra we have to give 4,000. So total 5,000. Now 21 minus 5. Right. It comes to 16,000. Again we have done plus, but actually we have done deduction. So minus minus opposite side. Yes. So we have to go to debit side. There we have to write 2 bad debt reserve. How much? How much? 4,000. The extra that we have given. Patents are valueless. Patents are valueless. Nothing to be realized. That is dash. So minus written off 10,000. So minus minus again opposite side. Debit side. What we have to write? 2 patterns. How much? 10,000. Clear? Outstanding interest on loan 6,000. Now just see, it's an expense for us. So what we have to write? 2 outstanding interest on loan. It's an expense for us. That's why it's on the debit side, right? When there is an expense, we have to write on the debit side. That is here. If there is an income, we have to write on credit side. How much? 6,000. It has one more effect. Balance sheet liability. It's an liability. Outstanding interest on loan. 6,000. Clear? Creditor and bill payable are to be paid 10% less. We have to pay 10% less. So creditors minus 10% less. Bills payable 10% less. It comes 8,000. It comes 2,000. Here comes 72,000. Here comes 18,000. So less are there that you have to transfer. But if the liability is reducing, it's good for us. By creditors, by bills payable. What is the amount? What is the amount? 8,000 and 2,000. Yes. 8,000 and 2,000. Unrecorded investment is valued at 20,000. It is not recorded. तो फायदे की बात है. By unrecorded investment 20,000, 20,000 plus it's an asset for us, unrecorded investment plus same side. Unrecorded investment 20,000. Calculate. So that also we have completed. Next point है insurance premium which was debited to profit and loss account 30,000, out of which 10,000 is for next year, coming year. फायदा हो गया ये भी आपके लिए. By prepaid insurance premium. Okay, ज्यादा भर दिया था हमने 10,000. फायदे की बात है तो ये भी जाएगा. Asset prepaid insurance premium 10,000. So friends, we have completed the whole topic. Now we have to tally this. ठीक है, चलो टोटल करो आप. 28,000 plus 8,000 plus 2,000 plus 20,000 plus 10,000. It comes 68,000. I think this amount is more. Let's see. Whichever the total is there, that we have to write. So I am deducting minus 6,000. Okay, na? Minus 10,000, minus 4,000, minus 24,000, minus 20,000, minus 7,000. So it's become little bit more or less. So I think debit is more. 7 plus 20 plus 24 plus 4 plus 10 plus 6. Yes, the debit side is more. So debit side comes 71,000. The same total we have to write here 71. So I think you are very clear. Wherever the total comes, there we have to write. Here we have to write which account we are going to transfer. Partners capital and to old partners, that is Patel and Shah, not for the new one. Patel and Shah. So let's see the ratio 3:2. So 3,000 into 2 divided by 5. It comes 3,000 into 3 divided by 5. It comes 1,800 and 1,200. And that we have to transfer to partners capital by, from which account we have come? By revaluation. 1,800 and 1,200. Here nothing. So make the total. Here it will come 1,21,800, 1,31,200, and here comes 2 lakhs. The same total we have to write 121,800, 131,200, and comes 2 lakhs. And here we have to write the deduction, and then we have to write 2 balance carried forward. 121,800, 131,200, and here comes 2 lakhs. The balance, and that balance we have to take towards here in balance sheet. 121,800, 131,200, and last comes 2 lakhs. Here comes 2 lakhs. Now make the total. Here comes 121,800, 131,200, and 2 lakhs. So total it comes 453. Now we are going to tally the sum. Let's see. Plus 1 lakh, plus 72,000, plus 18,000, plus 30,000, plus 6,000. The total comes 6,79,000. Now let's see here. 10,000, 20,000, 2 lakhs, 16,000, 40,000, 96,000, 60,000, 63,000. Somewhat some difference is there. Let's see the topic. Yes, so some difference is coming now. So I have to see the question again. Yes, I come to the getting the mistake. Here we have written the partner's capital on which side? Credit side. By mistake, I have written on the debit side. So here is the mistake. So I have to do? I have to cancel this from here, and the credit side will go to the debit side. Right, so let's see. So debit side it will come, and here I have to write to revaluation 1800, 1200 and dash. Right, and the balance also I done the mistake. Yes. Right, just a small mistake, your balance sheet doesn't tally. Right, the same way here also. Okay, now it's ready. So now let's see the question. So first I will write here on the debit side, I write to revaluation 1800, 1200 and dash. Now I make the total. Here comes the total 1,20,000, 1,30,000, and here comes 2 lakhs. Here comes again 1,20,000, 1,30,000 and 2 lakhs. Now I deduct from it. So let's see. 1,20,000 minus 1,800. So it comes 118200. 1,30,000 minus 1,200. It comes 128800. And here comes 2 lakhs. And now that balance we have to write here. Right, these are remembering. These also. Now let's see the first party, Patel. 118200. Now make the total. Plus 2 lakhs. It comes to 4,47,000. Now let's see. 4,47,000 plus 1 lakh plus 72,000 plus 18,000 plus 30,000 plus 6,000. It comes to 6,73,000. Now let's see the liability side. 1,68,000, 63,000, 60,000, plus 96,000 plus 40,000 plus 16,000, 2 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 10,000. It comes to 6,73,000. So from this way we can tally this particular sum. So right, so it's very important question. So again a short revision whatever we have learned. Right, so first is we have to tick mark all the adjustment, and you can see that the whole topic is completed except one point is not given, that is related to goodwill. From next question what they will ask, they will add a point of goodwill and it completes the 8 marks sum. बाकी सारे पॉइंट सेम रहेंगे, सिर्फ एक गुडविल का पॉइंट ऐड करेंगे और सम बन जाता है 8 मार्क्स का सम बन जाता है. ठीक है, तो क्या किया हमने, फर्स्ट इज द लायबिलिटीज, वी हैव रिटन ऑन द कैपिटल लोन अकाउंट, क्रेडिटर, बिल पेबल, आउटस्टैंडिंग, लायबिलिटी। पहले एडजस्टमेंट, जिसके भी एडजस्टमेंट है उसके टिक मार्क है तो कॉलम, बैलेंस शीट में लाइन छोड़ दी। पैटर्न्स, लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग, मशीन, फर्नीचर, मोटर कार, स्टॉक, डेटर, ये सब कहाँ जाएगा? एसेट में। राहुल को एडमिशन देना है, 1/5 फॉर्म देना है, राइट। राहुल ब्रॉड 2 lakhs एज कैपिटल, 2 लाख का कैपिटल है उसका, राइट। तो कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कैपिटल अकाउंट, ये हो गया। लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग एप्रिशिएट, फायदा होगा तो किस तरफ जाना है? रिवैल्यूएशन के क्रेडिट साइड। फायदा होगा तो रिवैल्यूएशन के क्रेडिट। और कब कब फायदा होगा? जब एसेट का वैल्यू बढ़ेगा और लायबिलिटी का वैल्यू कम होगा। सही है। मशीन इज टू बी डेप्रिशिएटेड बाय 10%, मशीन को कम कर दो, वो भी हमको पता है मशीन को कम करने के लिए, तो मशीन में से कम कर दिया। फर्नीचर इज वैल्यूड एट 60,000, फर्नीचर को 60,000 वैल्यू कर दिया हमने, तो फर्नीचर में से भी हमने क्या कर दिया? 80 को 60 कर दिया। मोटर कार इज टू बी डेप्रिशिएटेड बाय 20%, मोटर कार को भी डेप्रिशिएट बोला है तो कम कर दिया। प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेब्ट इज टू बी केप्ट एट 5,000, प्रोविजन डाउटफुल डेब्ट रख दिया 5,000 रुपए का। पैटर्न्स को कोई वैल्यू नहीं है तो पैटर्न्स निकाल दिए हमने। इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन रख दिया हमने, राइट, एक्सपेंस है। क्रेडिटर एंड बिल पेएबल को भी 10% पे देना है, माइनस कर दिया। अनरिकॉर्डेड इन्वेस्टमेंट इज वैल्यूड एट 20,000, वो भी हमने किया। इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम जो 30,000 था उसको 10,000 अगले साल के लिए टेक ओवर करवा दिया। तो इस तरह से, है ना, इस तरह से ये टॉपिक हमने कंप्लीट किया। अब इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है अकाउंट, रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट बनाया हमने, एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस रखा था मैंने, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल बनाया था। क्या गलती हुई पता चला था आपको, है ना? गलती क्या थी? 1800 और 1200 जो डेबिट में लिखना था गलती से क्रेडिट में लिखा, इसलिए बैलेंस शीट में देखो 4,000 का फर्क पड़ रहा था, राइट। तो पता ही चल जाता है कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ है कि नहीं। फिर उसको फिर ट्रांसफर करके कैपिटल का बैलेंस निकाला और बैलेंस शीट हमने टैली किया। ओके, तो ये एक सम हमने किया। अब नेक्स्ट पीरियड में हम देखेंगे कि एक्यूमुलेटेड प्रॉफिट का कैसे बांटा जाता है और एक्यूमुलेटेड लॉस को कैसे बांटा जाता है, राइट। बहुत बढ़िया चैप्टर है ये, बहुत ही इजी चैप्टर है। इफ प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो, प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो मुसीबत हो जाएगी। तो हमें इसके अंदर इलस्ट्रेशन 18 और 20 करना है, जिसमें हम रिवैल्यूएशन और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देखेंगे, और एक्सरसाइज में से 5, 6, 7 देखेंगे, जिससे ये मेन टॉपिक खत्म होगा। और उसके बाद अपना मेन टॉपिक फिर वहां से शुरू होता है। ओके, तो होप यू आर डूइंग द बेस्ट, होप आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो। ठीक है, सैटरडे है आपका, तो वीकेंड है, एंजॉय करो, नो प्रॉब्लम, लेकिन उसके बाद पढ़ाई करो। और अभी स्कूल भी जल्दी स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं, 9 to 12 क्लासेस, ठीक है, उसको बुलाए जाएंगे आपको, राइट। सब कुछ वैसे ही नॉर्मल चलेगा। एंड गुजरात बोर्ड राइट नाउ अप टू ईयर सैटरडे तक तो कुछ पोर्शन कंप्लीट किया नहीं है उन्होंने, सो फुल पोर्शन के साथ आपको एग्जाम देना रहता है। कम करोगे तो भी कितना, 1-2 चैप्टर शायद कम करे, बाकी तो पूरा ही। सो प्लीज स्टार्ट स्टडिंग, नहीं तो 12th, राइट, थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा क्लियर करना। सो स्टडी इट, राइट, वेरी गुड। Okay then, we are stopping here.